Do you need something to wear right now? These outfit recipes are going to be your go-to solution. No more overwhelm, no more overthinking, just style that works. My name's Jen. I'm your style coach for women over 40, and I love outfit recipes. And I call them outfit recipes because I don't like the word formula because I don't like math. I love to cook, but I don't love math. So I call them outfit recipes, but the concept is still the same. But let me tell you why having a bank of recipes is going to work so well for you. Let's think about a recipe that you have. We'll say tacos. So tacos can be the shell, the meat, and the cheese. That's your basic taco, right? But I like to add things to my tacos. So I like to add lettuce, tomato, guacamole. When you add all of that to your taco, you still have a taco, but you have up-leveled it. You have made it amazing. That's the same thing that happens with style. You can take a base outfit and then add your own creativity, your own style, your own personality to it and make it amazing. I'm gonna show you 3 basic recipes that you can create your amazing outfits from. Let's get started. Outfit recipe number 1, I like to call this the 40 plus woman power outfit. This is a basic pair of jeans or a great pair of trousers, a blouse, and then either a blazer or cardigan. You have those 3 pieces, you can create endless outfits. Putting those on means that you are dressed, but we want to style them. We want to add jewelry, a belt, great shoes. We want to accessorize it maybe with a scarf. There are a lot of layers. Remember our taco analogy. We want to add all the toppings that make this outfit ours. But starting with that base makes it super easy. You can walk into your closet every single day and think, okay, pants or jeans, blouse, and a topper, either cardigan or blazer. Start there. If you go for the simple idea of the base and then add the creativity to it, all the outfits start to come together. Your closet becomes a smorgasbord that you can create all the recipes to your heart's desire. Outfit recipe number 2, monochrome. Don't overlook the power of a monochromatic outfit. This can be in a dark color, so all brown. This could be in cream or white. And then you still have your base. So you have a great pair of white jeans and a great white tee. What are you adding to it to infuse your style? Excellent accessories, a scarf, a topper, a great belt. But if you start with just those pieces in a column of color, you have instantly elongated your body because a column color always makes you look taller. So for my friends that maybe have an issue and are a little bit shorter, this is really going to help to elongate you. A column of color, no matter what color, it does not have to be black, also is more slimming. So if you are having a moment where you're not feeling your slimmest, try a monochromatic look, all one color, all navy, all blue, whatever color it is, and then add those accessories. Add that statement necklace, a great pair of shoes. Pick up that bag and that pop of color and add that to it, and it will instantly elevate that outfit. So your outfit recipe number 2, the monochromatic look, is a great and easy one to reach for all the time. Outfit recipe number 3 is the casual polished outfit. I have seen so many women just say, like, I don't have time, or I'm just running errands, it doesn't matter. It does matter. It matters for you. It matters. We talk a lot in my community and in my group with my clients about how it makes you feel when you get dressed to feel your best. So what I want you to do is I want you to look to elevate even that casual outfit. So can you wear joggers and a t-shirt? 100%. But let's style it. That could be your recipe. Great pair of jeans, a white tee, and a sweatshirt. It could be a great pair of joggers, a t-shirt, and then a crossbody bag. We're elevating this though. We're not just throwing it on and going out and look frumpy. We're putting ourselves together because every day of our life is a special occasion. Every day that we're here is an occasion that you need to dress for, whether it's running to Target or meeting with an executive to get funding for a big project. Either way, you need to show up for yourself in a way that matters. This is not about other people's perception. This is about you and how you feel in here. So using these outfit recipes, whether it's my Powerhouse Modern Woman's one or the monochromatic or the elevated casual, is really going to help you show up as you, which is the first step to great style. So if you're ready to stop wondering what to wear, these outfit recipes are a great place to start, but they are not the end of your journey. I highly recommend you go into the description box below, download the Style Compass. The Style Compass is a free program that I have. It's where I start with my clients. I've taken hundreds of women through this process to really discover what is your style. You need to name your style. You need to have a guiding North Star to what your style is going to look like. This is just the beginning of your journey, and I'm so grateful that we are on it together. I would love to know in the comments, which of these outfit recipes are you gonna try first? Make sure to like and subscribe to keep these style tips coming. I'll see you in the next video.